This is cool, just in a rock bar now, where they got a Thin Lizzy stuff. Very cool. Isn't that a cool room to chill out? And they got the bar around here, jukebox. Pretty cool little bar actually. Yeah, they got the metal going. Nice little bar. It's the sort of place you want to come. I think a lot of celebrities have been here. Post Malone, Hanks. I just met Louis Walsh. I don't know you and you don't know me.
Bring the future to its knees.
I don't know you and you don't know me.
If I were you, I'd do as you please.
But he wasn't in here, he was walking by. Would have been cool if he was. He wasn't. But there we go, rock bar. Rock bar open. I think this bit must be full of pop fans, I don't know. But, yeah, it's a nice little pub. And outside we've got here. Got this very well known statue filling up, and I put a little surprise there for whoever finds it, so if you get it before anyone else you might find the surprise. Yeah, very cool. So there you go, this is Dublin, and that is Brussels or Bruxelles or something, I don't know, but it's a rock bar. You can see rockers on the corner there. And down here maybe there's buskers. No, they're gone now. But you get lots of live music down here. I think it's gone now, there was someone down there. I guess we'll just wander down, see who we see, but yeah, I'm not sure if there'll be much busking. There was earlier in the day, but maybe now they're all done. It's almost like London, but with a slightly better vibe. Like I say, I bumped into Louis Walsh down here, so that was strange. It's almost too cliche to meet Louis Walsh when you come to Dublin for a couple of days. There's some buskers there, but they're not playing. Anyway, so yeah, there you go. As you can see, it's a pretty vibrant city. Lots of joy, lots of life. As expected in Ireland, really. So it lives up to its reputation as a fun, cheery place for the most part. But then there's a lot of tourists, so you don't know how many people they are. But they seem to be enjoying themselves. But the locals are all pretty happy and friendly, you know, kind of like Mexico actually. It's one thing with Mexico, very friendly people. And Ireland's probably the only place in Europe with that reputation. England, they're miserable. Don't know about Spain, don't know about France. Can't imagine France is the most friendly, but who knows. He's got a Morrissey shirt on. That's nice. Nice shirt, man. I like it. Miserable cunt. He was as miserable as Morrissey, that guy. During the winter time or whatever. But still, he had a nice shirt on. But like every city, they've got their homeless as well, as you can see. Unfortunately, I don't carry euros, so I can't give him anything. Yeah, so this is, what street's this again? Street. What's this street called? Yeah, packing up now. But believe me, earlier on it was very busy. Good vibes. They might be doing some music now. Depends how quick they start. I'm too busy yakking, but if they play a song, I might be able to catch it. How long have we got till we got to get down here?
Well, she said drop by hers.
Yeah, alright.
I said we'll be on our way back shortly.
Yeah. We'll give it a couple of minutes, see how they do. The nice thing with busking is if you do it regularly, you do get a few regulars who support you and hang around, cheer you on. And I think that guy might be, because I think he was clapping earlier. There's someone all the way up the top. So it's nice when you have that kind of network. I think in Dublin there seems to be quite a strong network between the buskers. Well, I talked to one earlier and he was a right miserable bastard, but I think they all get along. She has that Ali shirt off and she's always jamming with different people and giving them a bit of a opportunity to you know, get on her videos by the looks of it and different things. Yeah, the cranberries. That'll bring in the cash surely. I'm zooming into him then, by the way. nursery. Yeah, lots of colourful characters in Dublin. Crossing on a red light, even more colourful. Even more colourful when you get splattered all over the road. Alright, the alarm thought it'd go off right when he finished. That was nice. Anyway, I don't think there's that much down here, but there is something that looks like a coliseum. Looks like an old coliseum type thing. So I'll show you that, and then that'll be it really.
You're strong. Don't let anyone tell you.
Expensive sweaters. I'd sweat my bollocks off in that sweater right now. Chocolatiers. There we go. Here's a bit of Irish. Whatever for you. There you go, you wait till one and two come along at once. If you haven't noticed, everything's green in Ireland. Even the post boxes, the buses, everything. There's the Colosseum type looking thing. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It looks nice. Nice building. Okay. There's all the tat you can buy when you're here.
Which way are we going now? Which way is that?
Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed, guys. This is the walking tour of Dublin. If you've never been, I hope this has gave you some excitement. But it may not have. But yeah, so this is it. Ireland's done. Dublin's done. Back to England. Subscribe if you enjoyed.